As I mentioned in last lecture, if we are not able to find any product, then in this way we have to show the result. Let me just type here something, hit enter. We will have the error, but along with that, we should be showing this no product found component. Inside this components folder, I will be creating one file. I will give the file name as no product.jsx. Inside this, I will be writing RFCE. And below this, I'm just going to import the style sheet. I will come inside this component styles. Inside that, we are having no products.css. Remove this entire thing. I will be creating div. For this, I will give the class as no products content. Inside this, I will be creating another div. For this, I will give the class as no products icon. Then below this div, I will be creating h3. For this, I will give the class as no products title. And inside this, let me come here, copy this entire title, and here I will be pasting. Below this, I will be creating one paragraph. For this, I will be giving the class as no products message. Inside this, I will be checking for the condition. If I am having keyword, then what I will do, I will just use this template string. From here, I'm just going to copy this entire message. You can see whatever search I have written, that exact same keyword is present here. Inside this, I'm going to paste. Now here, in place of this, what I will do, remove this. Here I will be passing this keyword. So whatever keyword user is typing, that keyword should be present inside this message. If I am not having any keyword, simply what I will do, I will be writing no products are currently available. For example, if I am not having any products, then this message can be shown to the user. Here I will be writing, please check back later. And from where we are going to get keyword, we will be getting keyword as a prop. So here directly, I'm just going to accept this prop. Now once we have created this component, come to products.jsx, and here what we will do, conditionally we are going to render that component. So this is our entire product section where we are going to display all the products. So what I will do, this entire div we will be wrapping in JavaScript mode. Let me select, and we are going to wrap in JavaScript mode. And inside this, I will be checking for the condition. If products.length, if it is greater than 0, then what I have to do, I just have to display this entire div. And here I will be closing this div. So in this way, let me just correct the spelling. If my products.length, if it is greater than 0, only then I have to display this entire div. And here we are going to use ternary operator, else, open parenthesis. Then what we have to display? We have to display this no products. As soon as I hit enter, this component will be imported. And for this, we are going to pass the prop. Prop name is keyword, and whatever keyword user is giving, that keyword we will be passing as a prop. So in this way, we will be checking if our products.length is greater than 0, only then display this entire products, else display this no component. Now let me come to my project. You can see message is displayed. Now what I just want this icon. I will just come to no products. You can inspect, and inside this I will be pasting that icon. So here successfully I am able to display this message. Again, I will just search here, hit enter. I am having no product found, and whatever products I am having, that data is not displayed. But what we will do, let us just come to product slice. I will scroll down. Here we are having get product fulfilled, and here we are having get product rejected case. In this, what we will add, state dot products. If we are having any error, then this products we are just going to assign to empty array. Now I will come to my project. Again, I'm just going to search, hit enter. Successfully, I'm able to get as well as my all the products will be emptied. But in my home, all the products will be rendered. And inside this no products, here we have to pass products. Save this. Let me search some random data. Hit enter. Now here I will be having this message, and whatever stylings we have given successfully, all the stylings will be applied. Again, I will come to home, all the products will be displayed. I will come to products, whatever data I am having, entire thing will be rendered. So this is how conditionally we are going to check if we are having products or not. If we are having products, then display all the products. If we are not having products, then display this component.